How to record audio on an iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily record audio on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. First things first, search the Voice Memos app. So it is a built-in app on your iPhone. Then tap on it and then you will see a red circle on the bottom. If you tap on it, the recording will start. So you can talk whatever you want, and then if you want to stop it, you'll need to tap on the red button again, and then there you go. The recording has been saved. Now, if you want to edit it, you'll need to tap on the three dots beside the recording, and there you'll find the edit recording option. And you can just trim the parts that you want to, and then replace the audio as well. And on the top right, you'll see on the top left you'll see sliders. Tap on it and then you can enhance recording, skip silence, and even change the playback speed. And on the three dots on the top right, you can tap on the trim option. So it's really simple to record an audio on your iPhone and edit it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.